So I wanted to give you guys a quick lesson on this. Let me actually do it here. Let's get rid of. Okay, I hope you can see my screen. Okay, so whenever we have price, okay, especially this goes when there's a news announcement, what you're gonna see is price is gonna, let's say, doing this, and we start dropping and it start going up, and then right here we have a huge drop. Okay, we have a huge drop and it starts retracing. When it leaves a wick here, right, not a swing low, when it leaves a wick here, always anticipate that price is gonna come back and run this low again. Okay, I'll repeat that. Whenever there is a big news event and price rallies or drop, so let's say price drops, when it drops and it doesn't form a proper swing low, usually when it's a news, it's gonna just leave a wick, and price, you see price start doing something like this. Don't buy into that one. It's gonna come back down and take out this low again. All right, if you go onto your chart, you're gonna see several examples of it. So when it comes back down again to take out this low, that's when you can buy, because this one most of the time will give you a divergence on whatever indicator you use. So when you have a drop or a rally, even a rally, and it leaves a wick and it starts dropping, most of the time you come back up again, take out this high before dropping again. Okay, so this is example of what I mean. So when there's a news and price drops quickly, it's gonna leave some form of a wick. When it leaves that wick, don't buy, because most time people will like to buy here. If you buy, okay, and it even goes up all the way up, it's only going up to rebalance, it's gonna come back down again and take out this low. So your best bet would be to wait for this one and then you buy that, because when it comes back down and runs this low, most of the time, yeah, not all the time, but majority of the time, it will go back up again and it will give you a divergence. I'll show you example on gold. Here, so we had price drop down quickly, okay, and it starts going up. Notice that it comes back down, takes out this low, and then start going up again. Let's go back here. When it drops quickly, forms a low, you try to buy that, it's going to come back down and take that low out. Oops. Here, so we had a big range, okay, and then people start buying it, it goes up, and then what happens, it comes back and runs you out. Same thing in here, we have a big range to the downside, people start buying it, comes back down, takes this low out, and then price goes up again. So anytime there is a news event, okay, and you see price drop quickly and it starts forming a low, usually the best thing to do is wait for the you're gonna wait for price to run the low, sorry, go up, come back down, take out the low, and then you buy there. That would be the best time to be a buyer. All right, so take notice of what I've just showed you here, because it does happen several times. It's gonna go up, come back down, take out, and then start going up. And if it does leave a void, when you buy, you're looking for price to come up here to rebalance that void. Okay, I was so excited when I discovered this.